Hey guys, Steve back again. I'm doing another video. This is now 3 in 1 week. Things are on a roll. I want to get into doing more videos. Time will tell if I can continue to do this, if you guys show interest with what I'm doing and you like the content, and I have content to post, I'm going to. So today is going to be a stock trading video. I'm going to try to do one every day. Like I said, time will tell. Monday through Friday it'll be stocks. One day on the weekend will be some of my other investments, M1 Finance, Fundrise, Roth IRA, that kind of thing. So it'll be a balance, on the weekend. If you just enjoy that, stay tuned on the weekend. If you like, stock trading options, day trading, stay tuned during the week. But yeah, I'll get into that. I have a small account. Some days I have nothing to trade. If I said, if I have a subject to do a video on, I will try to do it to give you guys value in these videos. So let's get into what I'm looking at for the day. So the SPY. Let's see. So this is a general thing on what I'm looking at for the day. I had Tesla, BNGO on my list for like a small cap, Square, Tesla, and Nvidia. Tesla's the main one I'm always looking at for setups, but I take an overall look at doing some now. This time of the day, right now, I'm just noticing that Square, the day finally chose a direction, but with my trading style, I'm pretty much trading the first half hour of the day. I very rarely trade after that. But if I was trading right now, I would see that it was holding the 9 EMA, had a fall through, re-established the 9 EMA, so I would have been looking over 215 for a nice scalp opportunity. Probably try to scale out up to 216 would have been a good trade on this one. That's just me looking at it in live time right now. But let's get into what I was looking at pre-market. You had the SPY. The SPY pretty much was gapping up, but then it couldn't hold it, so it was kind of a down day. So you always have to keep that if you're looking to go long. You have to keep a look at the overall market. So let's kind of spread this out a little bit. So the overall market, then some of the stocks I'm looking at, obviously we'll go into BNGO as a small cap. I was looking to trade, but let's kind of go into the 1 minute. Let's go back to the 5 minutes so I can go into a generality so I have a bigger screen. It was gapping up, but it didn't have a lot of room that I could trade. So I'm looking at over high of pre-market 780, so over 8, and then we go back into the 1 minute, which I'd like to trade off the 1 minute. I just didn't feel like I had a good opportunity to trade it because it pretty much went straight up. If it would have been open range breakout where this was a nice red candle and then went up over high day, I would have tried to trade it. Maybe right here, it came back to the 9 EMA, over 810 with a stop loss of $8, would have been something to get into, but did not trade it. So let's get into the trade I did make. And I was looking at Nvidia as well. This one, it's so choppy, Nvidia, but one good trade that might have worked would have been over high day or a good flag pattern, right in here. It went down to the 9 EMA, bounced off the 9 EMA, and I would have maybe anticipated 708 and got in. But then again, this is hindsight looking, but I'm just giving you things I'm usually looking at when I'm trading. I trade off the 9 EMA quite a bit. VWAP, which I don't have on this chart, I do not. I have it on my interactive brokers chart. We'll look at that after to show you my trade. Tesla is something that was very choppy today. I really wasn't looking to trade it unless I seen a good opportunity. You have a lot of these large wick candles. Couple things that I'll point out that I like to see. I do like to see the large wick candles and trade it the other way, but this was just too quick of one, and I didn't see the setup right away. But you have it trying to hit 594. It failed twice, so I would have looked at it probably around 593 to go short, and then it falls through the 9 EMA. But I would have had a very, very quick stop loss on this. If it slowed down or went against me, I would have banged out as soon as possible. The one trade I did get, it fell below 9 EMA, went through 9 EMA, hit off the 200, bounced, and then when it was coming through below, this is where I was trading in at 593, and I got a quick trade down. So let's get into interactive brokers. And let's see. So yeah, Tesla. So again, this is where I trade it. It's a little bit better of a clean look on here. It went through the 9 EMA. This is VWAP on here. It couldn't stay above it and then fell below. So I'm trading it right around here, the 592. And we'll see the portfolio. Well, let's look into the trade. So you can see I bought in at 938, which is right around there. So I bought in right there, and then it slowed down, and it looked like, so I pieced out. With my small account, and I'm on a cash account, that I don't have a lot of room, so I'm at $21 an option. That's $4,200 in there, and I only have close to 6 in there. A cash account, I really don't have that many options, especially on a Monday when the premiums are so high. So I pieced out, and then it started to make the move I wanted, and I sold, within 1 minute still. I was in for 57 seconds. And you can see I bought in at 21.50. The first one, it didn't go quickly as I thought, so I actually sold that option for a quick loss, and then I sold the other one at 22.27 for almost a point gain on that one, which came out to just a $46 win. Small win, but this is approximately, I don't want to jinx it now, but this is 3 straight weeks without a losing day. A lot of the days, $40, $50, $60, and then I've had a couple days, $200, $300. So the small account is building, and a cash account, everything settles that night, so you can trade. You can day trade as many trades as you want, as long as you stay in the cash account. And I'm going to do that while my account's small. Then once I get, over 25 grand in this account, then I'll probably switch it over to a margin account. So I hope you enjoy. Like I said, it's a very choppy day. Defense first, but hopefully you're getting some value of what I'm looking at, and you can kind of see some of the same patterns. So with that being said, I'm going to call it, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully the trades are there and I have content. Please like and subscribe. Take care. Bye.